So I'm gonna do a gaming setup video, so here we go. So right here is my TV, aka this is a better setup video, so yeah. This is my PS4 setup. Y'all are probably wondering, where the fuck's the PS4? Why is it, you probably can't see it there? Where the hell is it? Turn on it. See, it's not there, it's not there. Where the fuck is it? Y'all are probably wondering, probably. Well, controllers are right here. My PS3 and my PS4. PS3 is right here, of course. But the PS4 is right there. Hold on. PS4 is just vibing right there. So I gotta turn up the brightness. And then I got a Civic toy car thing. A wallet. TV remote. And razor shavers because I have a beard, and my work glasses, my freaking penny bag where I have so much pennies in, my window, aka this thing right here. I'm using my other phone to record this. This is my, you could say computer setup, where I do all my setup stuff, so I do most of my YouTubing and all my stuff at FNF gameplay, stuff like that. Yo, Power, where's the other laptop? Hold on, let me. See, my Chromebook's right there.
Hey, you don't need to go out there right this minute. I'm smoking and then we're leaving.
And then, my Chromebook, with my other computer, right there, it's right there. Why I'm not using it? Well, it's out. And it does not boot up. It refuses to boot now. And then my other keyboard is just right here. My mouse right here. I am gonna be using this on my Chromebook a lot. My mic, my good mic, which is my live cam mic. I'm gonna plug in this keyboard, by the way. So this keyboard I'm probably gonna use when I'm going to a friend's house or something. I got my bag right here, cause why not? Set up there. Right there. And then my bed, I have to make it. My door. And then, yeah, this principal setup. And then right here is everything we got.